Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, I am using As I Am. This is actually the second time I'm using it. I just bought it because I needed another shampoo, and I noticed I had a bunch of conditioners but no shampoos, and I want to use the same line honestly. So this is actually the second time, like I said, using it. Honestly, I like it. The shampoo was good. I actually they had a few in the beauty supply store, but I selected the Jamaican black castor oil, but they had a few other like lines as a part of that were part of the As I Am. Yeah, I only showed you guys once, but of course I shampooed my hair twice because I had a lot of gel from the last week, and I said I might as well give you guys a natural hair wash day routine review / before, because I'm probably not gonna have my natural hair out again for a while, as you guys can see by the title of this video, because we're gonna do a weed install. But anyway, I like to use my shampoo brush just to get into my scalp. And if you notice me dancing here and there, because I was listening to some K-pop playlist. One thing for sure, you need some music to get you through the wash day, because I feel like it's always taking such a long time for no reason. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead with conditioner. Now, the first time I used it, I had no issues, but this time around, for whatever reason, the conditioner didn't want to come out and was annoying me, so I ended up just taking off the top of the bottle. And also, if you guys are wondering why am I wearing gloves this time around, because I did get my nails done, my acrylic nails. I know I said I was going to do press-ons initially, but I decided no, I'm just gonna get my nails done. That way I don't have to have the hassle of gluing my nails every 5 seconds, and it's gonna be my birthday, so I'm like, why not? I'll just go to the salon. So I wanted to keep my nails looking fresh, and I didn't want all the hair product under my nails. So I used glove, and that was the best thing I ever did, honestly, because when I took off the gloves, I didn't have to worry about product in my nails that I had to clean out. And the conditioner is also really good. I like it. And now I'm just gonna, after putting all the conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle. Now I'm gonna use my brush, my detangling brush. Now sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. It's kind of just, I guess, when I want to, honestly. I'm gonna finger detangle, but as you guys can see, I'm about to go in with that brush to get out any other knots that may be in my hair and give my hair a good detangle, because I haven't done a pre-poos in a minute. Anyway, continue watching that as I detangle, and then I'm just gonna twist into sections, and then I'll come back to you guys for the next part. Now we're gonna go ahead and do my detangling process. Is always the same process, nothing changed. I use the same product. This is the Revlon, I think it's hair dryer and styler, something like that. I'll link it down below, but this is my go-to every time I want to do a blowout. Before I do any protective style, I just pick up this one and it gets all the kinks out, especially when you want to get into your roots. This is why I like this, because it helps you get into your roots to detangle the hair. So again, I'm not going to chat too much. A lot of this is just, you guys are going to watch me doing it. And I'm just using one of my Uncle Funky daughters, the thermal, I think is the heat mist, because I always use heat protectant before I actually go in with the heat to blow dry. And I was blow drying on low. You can go on high, but I was blow drying on low heat. This is the next day, and now I'm finally doing my hair. So it's the same braid pattern. My mom's doing my hair again. Same braid pattern that she always does, is where she braids it and like curves it around until it kind of makes a spiral. So braids down and around. I mean braids down, but like in a curve. I don't know how to explain it, but I think I'll show you guys one more time. Honestly, sometimes I forgot the camera. I was recording and I didn't turn on the camera, so, and then also like the parts that I did record, it was just too long, so I did chop out a lot because I didn't want to bore you guys. But I feel like the braiding pattern is explanatory. As you guys can see, she's just braiding it down, and then at the end what she ended up doing is just threading the bottom pieces that are sticking out, so that, as you guys see, this is what it ended up looking like. She just threaded it, so it's all. Yep. Now this is the hair that we're going to be installing the melt human hair Remy. This is a HG transparent with the lace closure, and then it's a 14, 16, 18 inch, and the closure is, I think, I forgot what the closure is, what length, but anyway, that is what the hair is looking like. So now we're using this super bond glue. I'm going to see if I find it. I'll link it down below. We also use another glue, but I think when my mom used it, I wasn't filming at the time. Because I was trying not to make my camera die from too much filming, which it did end up dying midway. So, but like I said, I chopped a lot because it's just repetitive stuff, and like I didn't want to bore you. But anyway, like normal, she normally puts lace closure first because she says it's just easier that way. She has it laid down, so that's what she's doing. And then she's just cutting the the lace part in the front. And then she's just gonna clip it up until she's ready to tackle that part again, or that piece again. Alright, so we're starting with the 14 inch. As you guys know, or you should know, you always start with the shorter inch first and then work your way up. So it was like 14, 16, and 18 on the top. Anywho, so that's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna let you guys keep on watching it until we get to the next part of the video. My mom's actually going in with a flat iron, and I believe she also went with the flat comb when she got to the top of the hair, because it was like kind of like, I don't know if you ever see like her hair is like lifting up, so that's why she went in with the flat iron. This is probably the first weave and sew that we did that needed some like flat ironing to stay flat, and probably because I got like a more expensive hair this time around. My other two were like, the first one that I did film for you guys, I believe it was like a synthetic human type of blend, so it wasn't as expensive, but this one was human hair, so so it needed a little bit more ditching up. Yeah. And I forgot to mention that, so you also see my mom using it's a wax stick. She was using it to like lay the hair down. So I will also link that. I believe it's by the Edge Fixer. I don't know why I remember the name. Maybe because I see it so much in beauty supply stores. And then we're just gonna flatten that down. And then my camera was saying something about like something about storage, or you cannot record anymore. I don't know. But then it let me record again the next day. I don't know. So I will show you guys what it looks like. If it ends up broken, that's why. But I'm gonna give you guys a last 360 of what the hair ended up looking like after I took it out of my bonnet the next day. Alright, so this is what the hair was looking like the next day. Now I noticed the ends were a little like curly, but I think it's because I had my hair in a bonnet, so it wasn't as flat anymore. But anyway, this is just the end results of what the hair looked like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.